That is neat.
So he wants to do this for all kids in wheelchairs. We have a link on KOIN.com if you know somebody who is deserving of maybe earning this for next year's Halloween.
Okay, definitely we talk about the rain and the wind and stuff. We have unsettled weather. When we have unsettled weather, our chances of what increases?
Funnel clouds, especially when you see that sunshine pop up and you start to see those clouds billow up like we've seen today. Just gets really unstable. You have that cold air, a cold core funnel is what it's called, but only a funnel cloud because it doesn't touch the ground, and rarely do they ever come down and touch the ground as a tornado, but it's something you always want to be careful of and aware of, that it can happen from time to time, and if it does happen, it can be dangerous at that point. Thanks to Lori Heaton for sending in this one. This was over McMinnville, and this was right around 3 o'clock or so this afternoon when things are really starting to pop up. The sun's setting now, so everything is really starting to settle down. In fact, most of the showers that are ongoing at this point will completely diminish as we go through the overnight hours. So don't think we'll see any more of that, but interesting that we did see that this afternoon. 54 degrees right now in Portland, so temperatures are dropping too. Still some clear sky to be found, and of course it's getting dark rather early because we turned those clocks back over the weekend, and it's that time of the year. We're also talking some mountain snow. Take a look at this beautiful time lapse from Mount Hood Meadows, and you can see how the snow is in and out for a lot of the day, and we're going to try to keep this going as we go through tonight into tomorrow as well, and then we could see another one later in the week. Take a look at the snow levels as we go through the week. We're not going to see a big rise anytime soon, so that's good news. So 4,000 roughly around there today. It dips down to 3,500 tomorrow. It goes back up to 5,000 by Wednesday, but we're dry at that point. And then it dips a little bit again as another system tries to head our way for Thursday to bring in perhaps some more resort snow by the end of the week. Our Mount Hood snowcast here, and we're looking at a couple of inches at most, so not a whole lot, but we'll take whatever we can get at this point, right? So much fun to see. Hey, checking out the radar, you can still see some showers that are ongoing out there. A lot of it just north of Portland and missing us to the north, so we're not really seeing anything at this point here. That is all just false echoes from the radar there as the sun sets. But back to our north and east, you can see some showers sliding through Mill Plain and back towards the Camas and Gresham area, light to moderate rain, but again, everything's really fizzling. Some of that trying to squeeze through the gorge as well, and look at this, is all headed back towards the mountains, so definitely bringing in the potential to get a little bit more snow going. Back towards wine country, we had some showers earlier, but that's now all phasing out, so we're just looking at mainly dry conditions as we go through the evening. So 50 through 8 o'clock is down to the upper 40s tonight, and our lows tonight will be in the mid 40s, so a chilly night for us. Northwest winds at about 5 to 10 miles an hour, and we wake up tomorrow morning to that chilly start. We'll have plenty of cloud cover around and maybe a few sprinkles along coastal areas and a few more flakes flying at the mountains, and then by the time we get into the afternoon, we're watching for a few more pop-up showers tomorrow. Don't think they'll be as intense as what we saw today, but there will be that possibility that we could get some light showers popping up from time to time in the afternoon, just because we still have that unsettled air right over us. Central and eastern Oregon, a few scattered showers for you and some more mountain snow. And then we go into Wednesday and we continue to dry things out. So a lot of dry time tomorrow. Wednesday we'll start off with the fog and the cloud cover, maybe a little drizzle in the morning, but we're overall dry again Wednesday. We could even see some sunshine perhaps by Wednesday afternoon. And then Thursday's when the next system moves in, and that one's going to be a real quick mover. It'll move in and out of here by Friday. We're talking warmer temperatures and drier conditions again. Temperature-wise out there right now, low to mid-50s up and down I-5, low 40s across central and eastern Oregon. Tonight we dip down into the low to mid-40s up and down I-5. We're talking 20s once you get east of the Cascades, 35 in Pendleton, mid-40s for the coast. And then tomorrow afternoon, we'll climb back up again into the mid-50s. So really close to normal for this time of the year, both in the morning and in the afternoon. Again, watching for some spotty light rain and maybe a few stray showers here and there, but overall a lot of dry time for your Tuesday. And then watch what happens Tuesday night. So this cool air really sets in, and we're looking at lows up and down I-5 in the upper 30s. And so we could be looking at maybe some patchy frost when we wake up Wednesday morning. We'll be keeping a close eye on that. And of course, we're talking teens and 20s when you head east of the Cascades. 7-day forecast here, mid-50s for highs for the next few days. Not a whole lot of rain, but we'll have the chance for a stray shower here and there. Friday arrives and we'll see a brief little spike in temperatures, upper 50s there as we get a quick little ridge over us, and then it moves on out of here. The next system moves in for the weekend. It cools us back down again and brings us some more decent rain chances for the weekend.
I'm turning
all
the
is
heat
here.
on. I'm turning the heat on.
Yeah.
It's time to do
Time to
that.
kick it
Tomorrow
in.
night will be probably the coolest we've seen all season. So.
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Thanks, Chris.